Hello my viewers, many of you have been wondering who is behind Smart Learn and Inform channel. I'm going to respond to that in this video. My name is Temitayo Omotehinse. I'm a dedicated and passionate educator who is really committed to helping others, especially in the educational space. I am an entrepreneurial person who explores different avenues like YouTube, online tutoring and digital products to help teachers, parents and students. As much as possible, I am thoughtful about my time, balancing my full-time job, family and religious obligations with my passion projects. And I really value making a positive impact on the lives of teachers and especially students. I am a resilient and compassionate person, always eager to learn and grow. I specifically focus on helping educators and parents with practical, easy to implement strategies for teaching English and literacy. I also address common challenges in remote or online learning, which is super relevant these days. More so, I create resources or courses specifically tailored for teachers who want to integrate technology into their classroom. So, if you want to partner with me or request for my service, please check the description below for my contact. I'll be very glad to be of service to you. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.